Hello class, my name is Nicholas Zonko from System Analysis and Design class. In this video, I will be evaluating how different software development approaches, specifically Agile and Waterfall, are expected to impact project outcome. I will draw on key insights from research studies, particularly the work by Iivari and Huisman 2007 and Rajagopalan, Saji and Sugumaran from 2016. Now let's delve into Agile development approach. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Extreme Programming focus on iterative development, continuous feedback, and close collaboration with users. These characteristics makes Agile particularly effective in environments with high complexity and uncertainty. The emphasis on users' involvement throughout the system development lifecycle leads to better alignment between users' needs and the final product, which often results in higher user satisfaction. That's according to Iivari and Huisman 2007. Additionally, Agile adaptability allows frequent reassessment and adjustment of project goals, improving risk management and increasing the likelihood of project completion within time and budget constraints. That's according to Rajagopalan and others in 2016. Now let's go into waterfall development approach. On the other hand, that is waterfall development approach, the waterfall methodology is more traditional linear approach where each phase of development must be completed before moving on to the next. While this method is predictable and well documented, making it suitable for projects with well-defined requirements, it can also struggle environments where changes are frequent or unexpected. That's according to Iivari and Huisman 2007. The lack of flexibility in waterfall can lead to challenges in accommodating changes, which may result in scope creep, delays, and increased cost. Moreover, since users' involvement is typically limited to initial stages, there is a higher risk of misalignment between the final product and the user needs. Now, in comparing that of the Agile and Waterfall, we can say that Agile methodology generally leads to better outcome in dynamic environment due to their flexibility and emphasis on user involvement. Waterfall may be more effective for project with stable requirement, but it can be less adaptive to changes, potentially leading to less favorable outcome. I am concluding that the choice between Agile and Waterfall should be guided by the project specific needs, the organizational culture, and the expected volatility in the requirements. The studies by Iivari and Huisman 2007 and Rajagopalan and others highlight the importance of aligning development methodologies with the factors to achieve the desired project outcome. In summary, Agile methodologies tends to produce better project outcome in dynamic and complex environment due to their flexibility and continued user involvement. Waterfall, while predictable and structured, may not adapt well to changing requirements, which can affect the overall success of the project. The choice of methodology should be carefully considered based on the specific context and needs of the project. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, share it, comment, and let me have your feedback. Thank you.